Hello, y'all. This is my Friday night's dinner. I made a black bean chicken soup with potatoes. Look at that. Black bean chicken soup. Black bean chicken soup, guys, with potatoes. See that? Delicious. Black bean chicken soup with potatoes. And I also made some white rice on the side. You can have it with white rice. You don't have to. You can just eat it with crackers, but I made white rice on the side as well because my family likes rice a lot. So I made a black bean chicken soup with potatoes. You can eat it with just crackers or you can eat it with rice. So I did both. It's your choice. Friday night's dinner, guys. Black bean soup with potatoes for dinner tonight.